Good day everyone, I am Florence Daniel Gunato, 18 years old from Cananga, Leyte, and I'm from BSMT1 Alpha. Today, I will answer the following questions about science, philosophy, and the existence of God. So question number 1. Illustrate how contemporary science uses the finding of the universe existence to substantiate the existence of God. To begin with, contemporary science studies the origin of the universe, and one major discovery involves the Big Bang theory. And according to modern science, the universe began about 13.8 billion years ago. And this event marked the beginning of space, time, matter, and energy. And because the universe had a beginning, philosophers raised an important question about its cause. And in philosophy, a common principle states that everything which begins to exist has a cause. Since the universe began to exist, it must also have a cause. From this point, thinkers examine the nature of this cause. The cause must exist beyond space and time because space and time started with the universe. And the cause must also possess immense power since it produced the entire universe. And because of these characteristics, many philosophers connect this first cause with the idea of God. Another observation from science involves the fine-tuning of the universe. Physical constants such as gravity and electromagnetic force hold precise values. And if these values change even slightly, the stars, planets, and life would not form. Because of this precise balance, many thinkers conclude the universe shows the sign of design. For this reason, the idea of an intelligent designer offers a logical explanation. Because of this, while science does not directly prove God, the scientific discoveries support philosophical arguments for the existence of a creator. Question number 2. How would you respond to the philosophically dispute the issue posed by the most prominent atheist of our day, Mr. Richard Dawkins, who created God? To answer this question, it is important to examine the assumption behind it. The question who created God assumes that God began to exist. In classical philosophy, God refers to an internal being. An internal being has no beginning and no cause. Because of this definition, the rule about causes applies only things that begin to exist. Since the universe began to exist, the universe requires a cause. At the same time, God does not belong to the same category as created things. Instead, God stands as the first cause of everything that exists. Philosophers describe this as a necessary being. A necessary being exists by its own nature and does not depend on anything else for existence. Because of this, the chain of causes must end at the first cause. For this reason, the question who created God misunderstands the philosophical concept of God. God stands as uncaused cause who explains the existence of the universe. To end, scientific discoveries about the origin and structure of the universe support philosophical reasoning about a creator. At the same time, philosophical arguments explain why the first cause does not require another cause. Thank you.